In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trive in Tradingview. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account in your browser or desktop app. Once you're signed in, head over to the main charting area. You can do this by clicking on Chart in the main navigation. This is the screen where you usually analyze price action, draw tools, and add indicators. It's important to start from the chart page because that's where Tradingview lets you connect and manage brokers. With your chart open, look toward the lower part of the screen for the trading panel. If you don't see it right away, there's usually a small handle or an option labeled Trading Panel. You can click to expand it. This panel is where all available broker connections are displayed. Once the trading panel is visible, look for an option that says Show All Brokers. Go ahead and click that. Tradingview will then display a full list of all the supported brokers you can connect to. The list might be quite long, so to save time, use the search bar if it's available, or just scroll through the list carefully. In the list of brokers, look for Trive. The name should appear just like that. When you see Trive in the list, click on it to highlight or select it. After selecting Trive, you'll see a button or link that says Connect or Connect Trive. Click that to start the connection process. At this point, Tradingview will usually open a login window or redirect you to a secure page where you can sign in to your Trive account. Here, you'll need to enter your usual Trive credentials and follow any additional verification steps required by your broker, such as two-factor authentication. Take your time and make sure the details are correct, since this is what links your live or demo trading account to Tradingview. Once you've successfully logged in and confirmed access, Tradingview will connect to Trive. You should then see Trive listed as an active broker in your trading panel, and your account information, such as available balance or account type, may appear there as well. From this point on, you can place trades directly from the Tradingview chart using your Trive account, manage open positions, and monitor your trading activity in real time, all from the same interface. That's all you need to do to connect